Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to fix if our Instagram story is not deleting. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have a stable internet connection. So we can do so by browsing this. So if you notice, we do have a stable internet connection, but if in case that we don't have, we can go ahead and open our mobile data to make sure that we do have a stable internet connection. So as we tried to use earlier with our Wi-Fi, we do have a stable one, so let's just use that. So once everything is set, then we can go ahead and log into our Instagram account. So let's try to check if we can now delete the story that we wish or intend to be deleted. If in case that our story cannot be deleted yet, we can go ahead to any mobile browser and we can log in our Instagram account using that one. So technically, once you are logged in using the mobile browser, you can delete your Instagram story if you do have a stable internet connection. So there you have it. That's how we are going to delete Instagram story that is not deleting. I hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next one.